morning, everyone. Well, today I'm tearing down 2 more books, or pads, I should say. And I didn't know if I was going to keep doing them, but then I thought, I think I'm going to have a swap coming up where brown is the color, and this one is a brown pad, or it's craft color. So I thought that'd be interesting, and we're going on a little vacation, so I thought this might be good to have done. So I'd have them for 30 days of sketches and that embellishment swap. Actually, it might not even be till, I don't remember what day the brown was coming up, but I thought, well, I think I should get this done. Actually, I'd like to get them all done. I just don't know if I can get them to fit in my my room. Okay, this in here, look at how this is. It's called Life Stories, a Daily Dose line by Jen Wilson. And so it's craft cardstock, and it's by My Mind's Eye. And look at how the cover is. It's like the cover is actually a separate piece, which I don't think I've ever seen that before. So that's interesting. Okay, and then they have a label actually back here on it. Okay, so, oh, and the other one I'm going to do is Travelogue, and it's a Craft Smart Hot Buy pad from Michaels. But this one is a celebration tracker, so there's like party goers, detailed events, best memory of the day. So there's like little things that, I don't know, it's like I'm trying to think of what I could use it for besides maybe cutting it up and using bits and pieces of it. Well, in this one, this goes this way, and this, well, this still goes this way. It's just to the side. This just throws me off here, I guess. But, so, I don't know what I'll use it for. But I'll have to ask my daughter what she planned on using it for. Now this, we'll see how this comes apart. That the whole idea of how it was put together was kind of different. I mean, I could see maybe using bits and pieces of it, almost like embellishments. This, this page. Okay, now they're coming apart real good. Hope it keeps up like that. Now this one, this looks neat. It would be nice for the outdoors. I always like, the craft paper colors. I know lots of times when I built an album, I would use craft paper. So this, see, it's like this on this side. So, I mean, I could actually use this if I can't think of something to use this for. But I think this is very interesting. I had to take that, it was my daughter. Okay, so there's 3 of each one. I really like this. This would be really nice for a man or a boy. Okay, now this is family history. It looks like there's 3 of everything. Is there 3 of these? Yep. I think my first 2 kids, I think the first kids I actually did like a family history at the beginning. I don't know, maybe I did the first 4 kids. Because I have 2 children, and then I have 2 bonus children. Okay, this is words to live by, favorite color, a few things I want to do. Oh, that's kind of interesting. This would be good to actually give to a kid and have them fill it out, and they can put it in their album. Music I love. So that's kind of cute. That's 3 of those. And I really like that too. It almost gives kind of that washed out or faded flannel look. That's real pretty. The little things. Use the following to make matches and suitable pairs. Make adjoining lines to connect. Huh. This certificate is awarded to so-and-so on this day. So this is more like for cutting apart and journaling or something. So I could see that as being interesting. You just have to work with the color. But it might be nice, you know, for embellishments. Let's see, description of activity. Have you guys ever seen a pad like this, and how did you use it? Were you able to use all of it? Yeah, that's a good question. That's my question of the day. And this looks very vintage. In fact, I think in the old house I lived in, it had paper like this. It's very familiar. Okay, trip information, point A to point B, the distance traveled from home. Okay, then you got a compass. So that'd be good for traveling. It's an interesting pad. And this looks very vintage again. Like faded curtains. This time it looks like faded curtains. Or faded wallpaper. Oh, and if there was 3 of those, she used one. I'll have to find out what she used that for. Otherwise, I don't think she used anything. General information. Happiness meter. That's cute. This is kind of cute ideas. I like the happiness meter. Whoops. That must have been stuck to it. Okay. Here's another one of those faded wallpaper. Things to do around the house. Oh, I could use this list. I could use this list right now. I'll tell you, I've been cleaning the guest room, or organizing the guest room, actually purging the guest room, closet, and yeah, it's quite the project because there's so many things in the closet, and I don't think I needed any of it. Just a few things on the top. Okay, this one is description, on location, details the scene, the way they do it, the rules, author is report by. So that sounds like traveling, but it says the playas. Left to right. That you could always use that for game night. And did she use one? Nope. Nope, there's 3 of those too. Okay, this is receipt name, from the kitchen of, yield, prep time, cooking, oh yeah, granulated sugar. It's like a recipe checklist. So it is kind of like, this would go in my document section, documented. Okay, so that's interesting. My mind's eye, life stories. Okay. I'll have to see if I can figure out what to do with that. Could definitely use it for recipes, or a recipe thing. Now this is super cute pad. And it's Travelogue. But that cover is, it feels like there's something else there, but there's not. Okay. Still feels like there's another paper there. The cover is super thick. Follow your dreams. This whole pad is just so cute. I just kind of flipped through it. Follow Your Dreams. So there's 2 of those. And what is it? I think there's 24 different designs. So there's 2 of each. Maybe I need to tear it this way. And this has Wanderlust, it's time for a vacation, trip of a lifetime. Soak up the sun, take risks, relax and enjoy the moment. All different things. This is really cute paper, look at that. It's got little airplanes all over it. It's super cute. And oh, I love that shade of blue. And a ledger. I love a ledger. Yeah, it tears out better this way. Who knew? Who knew? Love that color. And here's like travel stamps. And here's 6x6. This would be cute, like if you're doing a little mini pad or a little mini album. Make today an adventure. More memories, less things. Our trip, World Traveler. So cute. Love the colors of this here. And here's like a world map. Greenland. I know I have some pictures to scrapbook of my daughters on vacation in Ireland. Live every moment. Let's go. Get lost. That's cute. Make today an adventure. Here's pack your bags and all the things that you put in your bag. Those are cute. I really like that coloring of that. Another empty page with just the travel stamps. Explore, wander, dream, connect. Those are cute. I love maps. Take risks. Those are cute. Oh, this is pretty. Look at how pretty that is. And it's got a ship there. Some kind of animal there. Is it a dolphin or I'm not sure what it is. Another ship. That looks like a dolphin. Some other kind of sea creature. Maybe it's Nessie. That's real pretty. Now this is how we usually travel on the road. I'm thinking, okay, the one paper that I'm thinking, oh, that's kind of boring, but that's how we usually travel. The road, it's a fridge usually on a highway. Once in a while you get a road like that, but not often. Say yes to new adventures. This would be a nice cover for a, you know, a travel album. Or even if you have a bunch of like little pictures, you could just kind of scatter them around on there. That would be cute. I like the idea of that, where you just have a whole bunch of little things scattered all over it. One of the other ones I was thinking that would be cute, where it had, was it a Christmas one? I think it was a Christmas one that I thought it'd be really cute to just put an assortment of all the pictures from Christmas. Find what brings you joy and go there. Isn't that a pretty page? I love that. Now it kind of reminds me of Kaiser Craft. Something about it. Choose happiness, go explore. Find what brings you joy and go there. And I always like the travel stamps too. That's pretty. Look at the colors. It's real pretty. I've taken pictures from the air, and it's funny how you can get a shadow on the ground from your airplane. I thought that was a neat thing. Hello from far off places. Those are cute embellishment. Here's compasses, and it's got that graduation of colors. Gradation, is that what it's called? I love compasses. This is cute too. See the world. My daughter told her daughter, my oldest granddaughter, my oldest daughter and my oldest granddaughter, my oldest daughter said, you can't have a boyfriend until you see the world. And she says, and then she looked at me and she goes, do I have to see the world? Oh, that was so funny. I guess not. She's got a boyfriend. She's 19 now. She'll be 20 in November. It's like, I can't believe it. Oh, I guess I can pull that off later, but sure thought it was going to come right off. This is all just neat paper. There's that gradation of color, or ombre. It's like an ombre, but 3 different colors, really. I always like these kind of papers too. Oh, and this is neat. It looks like it would be on a ship's, the captain's desk. That looks like camera there. On a little camera, so I don't know what that is. That's a really tiny camera. It's one of the spy cameras, maybe. Okay. So isn't that a pretty pad? I love it. Okay. So another pad tore down, and I'm getting through them. You know, she brought me, well actually we met her, and she gave me 4 tubs, and I went through 1.5, and then I had to take a break. And now I think I've gone through maybe a little more than half of this one. So that's good, because I know it's as much fun as it is to see it, it's hard to know what to do with it when it's here. So thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful and blessed day. I don't know if I'll tear apart. I do have 2 more in here. I don't know if I want to tear those apart or go on to something else for a while. And it kind of depends, I guess, maybe how much of it I can actually get in my room. So have a wonderful and blessed day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.